Seasons greetings. Hope everybody enjoy them sorry long cake and pork ham. Somehow we can't do that. We have to make sure so the world keep on a turn. So anyway, this machine I decided say I want to stop build oil pressure. At first when it get hot the pressure used to drop. Now when it start me not get no pressure none at all. So can't figure out if that are the pump or the bearings or something I bleed off the pressure inside. Either way, I have to take out the engine to find out, because we how they make up this, you can't really do nothing to it unless you take out the engine. So that way I have to go do today. So I have to go take off them belt there, get rid of them tensioner there, take off the flywheel, take out the starter, take off them wire there. You know what? We might get some paper tape and label them where they come from, because can't take a problem when I'm ready to fit up. How this go now? Engine mount, take out the muffler, radiator, air cleaner, battery, move the oil cooler pipe them. Yeah, this look like it all fun. Alright, so this is one good idea, so I don't have no problem. So I label the wire them, oil light, fuel pump, grounds, starter signal, starter power. So can start pop off everything now, and we will know where them for go when them ready for go back. First problem idea. Them flywheel bolt and a pull at the right socket and it a spin on them. So it look like I have to go get a torch and burn them off. Finally get me out. Clean me up before I pull you up. Well, engine wash off and well clean, and night I come down. I spend half day. I try butcher the damn flywheel bolt them to get them off. I have to cut them up anyway. I have to go get some new flywheel bolt tomorrow. Tomorrow I take out the crankshaft, pull off the oil pump, try to find a problem. So until then.